Hello everyone, today in this video I will tell you about leadership. This is very important for everyone to know about leadership. This question may be asked in interview. It will be very helpful for everyone when you will go to give interview. So that time interviewer may be asked this question. How to become a good leader? How can I develop a leadership? A leader is one who influence or lead others. Each of us believe we have a good idea, but what it means to be a good leader. When you will show your leadership of others, so that time picture is not so clear for some. A leader is motivation for others. Today if you want to go in any field, so you will see the demand of a good leader, of a great leader. Because the millionaire and billionaire people are ready to make a follower. But today in this world, we need to become a good leader. But today nowadays everyone keep on thinking like this, what is leadership? So I am going to tell about such quality you can become a good leader by follow them. So friends, normal person wants some special quality to be a leader. I will tell you some important point due to which you can become a good leader. First one is lead by example, motivation, ambitious and encourage others, ready to learn and teach. All these things I will tell you in detail. First one is I will tell you about lead by example. A good leader do work by showing him an example. They will tell others to give one example of their own. That is known as a good leader. I don't have experience, I can't lead in proper way there. A leader should have such quality that leader always keep excitement, because excitement can't do everything in the world. This is very good for a leader. And second one is I will tell you about motivate. How to motivate better than anyone's. There is one of their main function. It is very important for everyone. A leader should have a lot of features. You need to talk to your team, ask them question and let them talk, listen and understand what they need. A leader is not about talking and giving order. A leader is about listening and creating the perfect environment for each one in your team. It is very important to have a goal and target. If everyone can review their goal and target by themselves, a leader will have constant motivate for your team. The wonderful quote, if you build an army of 100 lions and their leader is a dog in any fight, the lion will be die like a dog. But if you build an army of 100 dogs and their leader is a lion, the whole dog will be fight as a lion. And third one is I will tell you about ambitious. A leader should have ambition to achieve a goal. If a leader don't have such quality, if a leader don't have a goal to achieve, so such leader can't be achieve anything in their life. They will not be able to achieve anything. So I will tell you one example of Geo company. When Geo company was started, so that time Geo team make a goal. If they don't have such ambitions, they shattered like other company. So it is said that a leader should have ambitious. So a leader have ambition, the whole team will do work as a ambitious. But this is very important for a leader. First one is nature instinct. There must be have something that you are unique. You need to training. You should be trained all the tough experience, but still positive. They are always positive. They never complain others. If we talk about cricket, MS Dhoni have very good leadership. That is known as a very good leader in Indian cricketing. They lead every player like as a leader. And they have always positive think. They say live in the present, stay focused on your future, and they have such quality how to manage their team and give advice. They only play strength, not on the weakness of your team. So friends, I hope you have understood very well about this topic. Thank you friend for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and share.